Content. This is very important. So this we import, for you know these. Contents. Connectors. Then we have this OC, and very important, this is for our integration. So when you click on the integration part, and OCN means Open Content Network, means any other content network. Maybe LinkedIn, Perseverance, Lynda. If you want to add them. See Coursera, edX, Lynda, Udacity, all are there. That means they can actually access via the IMS. We will see that, so we will add the integration as well. Of course we will not have a system access for Perseverance or Lynda. I will show you how you can add that. Then we have pushed the library that we were talking about. So with you can create. You know exam objectives. Let me show you what I just wanted to show you. Yeah. Application administration. Landing these. Okay. Why I wanted to show you today was, if you click on it. This is how I am looking at my system. If I open a duplicate one. What do I see at home? What all I see? I see all of them. Then you see self-assigned links. And that's what you were asking the first day. But if I want to, okay. This page, or this call landing page, okay. I have what my learning assignment. I have my learning assignment. My curricula, my curriculum, my IATM. Self-assigned links, available classes. Self-assigned links, featured available classes. All of this will be there, based on the landing page. Okay. So what is the action means? I can cross it. And there's an X at the action. What does the X mean? You just remove it. Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, so it's all here. Yeah. If you want to add anything, you need to spend some time. Click on it. And system will ask you. But you know where to do it right. You go to admin. I'll just click on the title. Says, landing page. I just enter the landing page setting. You bring me there. System. Also, I think. Yeah, I did. Correct. I quite like this. When I put this landing and you tell me where it is. Cool. Go to System Administrator. And then Application Administration, and then go to Landing Page. Okay. So, JC, we have a little time. Can you teach me? How do we actually edit? Is there a way of editing the notification? Can we edit on the default? Or we can edit under the items or classes. Even notification we can edit from here. Because I want to know how can I just create directly from here? You can enter what survey. These are the content. So I just how to. So just enter the question under the survey. That's it. Just create a new survey. Maybe that's it. Yeah, maybe just add new. Just give it a name. Okay. Yes, I think it's cause feedback. I think cause feedback is okay. Anyone will do anything. Okay. I'm just putting it randomly, okay. And what surveys available? But what about the survey? How would I assign it to somebody when I come here? I will start adding the questions. Because surveys like this, you start adding those questions. Oh, okay, so you can add the questions here. None or instructor. Okay. And instructions. So this instruction. Then we click next. Then what are the? Where is the question? Okay. This is beautiful. I can try and see, then see how to create the questions. I can use it from here. You go to this. You assign any item ID. Oh, I know, I mean you can sign to the ID that the class is assigned. Okay. Yeah, I know, I mean to send to the classes. Or send to the item. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Okay. This is added and goes to options. If I want, I can create options. Is this an NRF? Oh, or required for completion. Yes, so this must complete by 7 days. This is to complete 5 days. 3 days, whatever. And to come and feel for each person. So every time you have completed a question, there will be a comment. Oh, okay. Okay. And then in the notification you go to this email notification and you define the notification. So for everything, for the email notification, you go and you change it from. Oh, this is the okay you have to preview. Okay. I can take a look to see how it looks like. Yeah. I will just look at this. It's interesting. I'm a bit confused how to edit this. The template looks interesting. Done.